Hi STEAMI Nation, welcome to our show. I'm your host Ilanga, and today I have a chemist lined up for you, Dr. Rehana Malgas-Enus. And she whispered in my ear that she has some summer chemistry to teach us that we can do at home, so stay tuned. So we've arrived at Dr. Rehana Malgas' office or workplace. So we're gonna go to her office and see if she's there. Come with me. Oh wow, we've caught her at work. Hello, Dr. Rehana.
Oh, hi, Tiki.
How are you?
Hi, guys, I'm good, thank you.
On our show, we have a little icebreaker that we do. We have to do a dance, like just your favorite dance for us, just to break the ice so that you're not so nervous, and then we can have a conversation.
Nsike, do I look like the type of dancers? No.
I mean, one thing,
No.
a small move.
No.
No?
No, Nsike. Is there anything else maybe I can give you?
I don't know, ice cream?
Listen, this is a chemistry office, eh? Where should I get ice cream from?
I don't know. You said you can do anything. You said chemistry, so I'm assuming there must be something happening.
Let me see what I can do. Let's see what's in my fridge.
Okay.
You can try this at home. It's very safe.
So what do we need?
So we need 2 bags as such. I think before we do that, let me take 1 bowl. So now we'll put these 2 bags ready for our cream. And now I'll help you and you will help me.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So keep your bag open.
Alright.
And I'm going to put some, guys, this is normal cream. There's no tricks here. Ooh, you can see that is cream.
Yes, that is definitely cream.
Yes, cream. Now we need some flavoring.
Okay, a little bit of sugar.
1, 2. If you're a sweet person,
3.
a lot. If you're average person, 3. 3 is okay.
Okay.
A little bit of vanilla essence.
So it's gonna be like vanilla ice cream.
Yes, but we can make something even better.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so do I shake this now?
You can do this. You must dissolve the sugar. Guys, you have salt at home. For sure, you've got ice at home. Once we add salt to this ice, it is literally going to lower the freezing point. Fill your bag.
Sure. There's a huge difference in that freezing.
Yeah.
There we go. So we just
Seal it.
seal the bag
Yes.
so nothing spills out, and
now we'll put that bag right in the middle. We'll get it in the ice. Yes.
But this is freezing. Yeah.
So I don't want to seal.
Okay.
Just seal it.
Okay.
And then do that for a while.
Okay. So how long will this take?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5
And then we
minutes.
have ice cream.
Yes.
Wow.
Literally.
Okay.
So just push it upside down. Yes.
Go.
And mix it all over. And then we can put it in our little ice bar.
Okay. So I'm just make sure it's completely covered by ice.
Yes.
And then I put it in there. I think it's covered by ice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
now we make another one.
we'll make another one.
Alright.
With a twist.
With the twist. What are you
Yes.
gonna add in this one?
You're gonna add some chocolate, some whiskers to it.
Lovely. So now that we know what the whole process is, I think maybe while we make the second one, you can just tell us a bit more about who you are, what you do, where you're from. Just give us a little background.
Really? So I'm Dr. Rehana Malgas-Enus, and originally I'm actually from Mitchell's Plain, guys.
Oh,
Very
wow.
Cape Flats. And today I'm working at Stellenbosch University because I have a PhD in chemistry. So I'm an academic, and also I'm a researcher, which is super awesome.
What do you research? What is your research focused on?
My research is focused on nanotechnology. So, yeah, do you know what that is?
I've heard of it, but can you explain to the rest of us at home
what it is? Nanotechnology involves research into nanoparticles actually. A nanoparticle is something that's so small, it's 1 times 10 to the minus 9 meter. 1 times 10 to the minus 9. That is a nanometer. So if you have particles that's that small, you know, they have special properties. So we design those types of nanoparticles and we use it for several applications actually in everyday life. I always wanted to make new compounds, you know, for things like anti-cancer. And I thought medical doctors used to do that. And only once I got to university, I realized you could study chemistry. Because at my high school, we didn't have labs. We did have chemistry, but it was a subject on paper. I didn't think you could study chemistry. And so when I got to university, really, I fell in love with chemistry.
Amazing. So tell me, with this whole ice cream thing, can I only just freeze my ice cream in here?
You can freeze anything, you guys. Please be careful because really, salt and ice and water makes things super cold, minus 21. So try not to stick your fingers in there and keep it there. Please don't do that. But let's say unexpected guest and your cans are like
in the cupboard.
Outside. It's easy. You're going to make an ice bath like this. Take your ice from your ice blocks, add water. It's not going to get less than 0 degrees Celsius really, because that's freezing. So maybe it will be like 5 or 6 or 10 degrees. Add a cup of salt. 1 cup of salt. Add it. And then add your drinks to that. Your drinks will be cooled in 2 minutes.
Don't want to be negative, no offense. What do I do?
You'll go work at one of the petrochemical companies and you're going to make better fuel for us. You can work in the pharmaceutical industry and this is where we make better drugs for whatever purpose that you might need. You know, you can work in quality control. That means you're working for some of the big companies and analyzing what is in their food. Is it safe? Is everything okay? For instance, you can analyze wine. Well, we are in Stellenbosch. Some people enjoy doing that as well. But yes, that's basically what you can do. But you don't need to do a PhD for that, guys. You can do honors at least, and you can get a job in industry, and you can do masters and get a job in industry.
Wow. Let's try it.
I know that is good ice cream.
No. Thank you so much for having us in your office, and I know you're busy, but you took some time off. We appreciate this, and they definitely appreciate this, and I appreciate this. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and goodbye, STEAMI Nation. Stimulate scientific minds.
Bye.